I got something special in my hand here. I know you can't see it yet. I'm really hoping that I can get a close-up that you guys can read. These are the Persol Steve McQueen Special Edition. For those of you that don't know, the Persol 714 is their folding sunglasses. They have a number of models that come under the Steve McQueen Special Edition moniker. These are the top of the line. These are the limited edition platinum lens 714 Steve McQueens. They come with this compact carrying case, a cleaning cloth, and some Persol Luxottica paraphernalia. You open up the case, and this is what you see. Folds out like this. Let's get these plastic things off. For those of you that are big Persol fans, you will immediately notice the Persol arrow and the Persol hardware on the hinge. And of course it has the Persol Meflecto system on the side. One of the innovations that Persol has that creates maybe the most comfortable glasses on the planet. On the inside, you will see the Steve McQueen signature. On the other side, Persol, handmade in Italy. And just in case you didn't know this, even though Luxottica owns Persol, they are still made in the same factory where they were made over 100 years ago. The Steve McQueens fold directly to the inside. The stem folds slightly over the eyepiece like that. Then the two stems fold in, and the glasses fold together, at which point they store very nicely in the case. Okay, let's unfold them again, and I am just going to try them on. I had no idea when I started this influencer thing that I was going to end up being a sunglass model for Persol sunglasses, but since I paid my own money for these sunglasses, Persol can't have a say in that. I want to be a Persol model. I get to be a Persol model. Looking at myself in the monitor, I think I look so cool with these on. You know, I spent most of my life broke, so now I got a couple of bucks. I don't worry about spending it on something like this. I am so happy I did. Wait a second, I gotta do what I call the cool test. I gotta go see just how cool I look. You know what, let me look at myself in the monitor again. Wow, it works. I mean, it just really works. I think I look pretty cool in hats. I think I look really, really cool with these sunglasses, wearing this hat in particular. You know, I use the word cool a lot when I talk about Persol sunglasses, and I especially need to use that word right now, because Steve McQueen, he really was the epitome of cool back in the 60s. I'm old enough to remember when he was the man, and these were his sunglasses, the sunglasses that he wore. Man, this is cool having these sunglasses. Really super glad that I bought them, spent my own money on them. I think it's important for you guys to know that I did that. Really happy that I was able to use them to make this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching me. So finally, please don't forget to hit that like button. YouTube loves it when you hit the like button. I love it when you leave me a comment. When you leave me a comment, it either lets me know that you like the work that I'm doing, or it allows me to inform you more if you have questions. Subscribe. YouTube loves nothing more than when you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, that's right, my personal YouTube channel. And the last thing I want you to know is that I love the idea that after you're done watching me, you guys are going out into the world and having yourself just a wonderful, wonderful life.